Hello, good morning. Welcome to Christmas Delight, and this is Christmas time. Of course, we've got a very busy schedule and weekend ahead of all of us. My name is Ian John, and I'm the singing chef. Today, we're going to cook a sweet and sour fish with a sweet and sour sauce on a bed of basic green cabbage with lemon. Our ingredients today are 2 medium trout. We've got lemon here, 1 whole lemon that we cut up, and that's for garnish and also for flavoring. And we've got 2 onions that we've sliced, not diced. We've got 2 tablespoons of black pepper and about a tablespoon of salt and about ½ a cup of virgin coconut oil. And this is what we're going to marinate this with, and we're going to cook it for 40 minutes in the oven. We're going to take our fish, we score it like this on either side, right? This has already been cleaned and gutted, but we want to keep the head because that's a very delicious part. Too many people waste it. And we're going to do the same with this, same with this, same with this. Right, so we got 3 sections in there. Right, so now we're going to take our oil, black pepper, and salt. I'm going to put it some on the outside like this. Some on the inside, or some on the other side, like that. Rub some into the creases, just a little bit, right? Into the creases. There you go. Okay, so this is ready for going into the oil and the black pepper. I want it to get all over. Like this. Inside. Just put it back out here. Do the same with the other one. Love this part of cooking, it's great. But imagine if you had that on your Christmas day, it would be great. It would be really, really good. Okay, we're taking these onions here and we're going to just put some onions inside the fish. Right, we'll do the same with this one. That's a whole onion we sliced. And then you take these bad boys and just place them on like this. All right, now that's going to be plenty of flavor with that fish. Okay. What we're going to do is, I've got my pre-prepared pan here. So we're going to lay the first one in, like that. All right, and turn it this way because it keeps the lemon inside. And we'll do the other one in exactly the same way. Get that on there. Put your onions back in. And you close it up. And you turn it on its side like this, so the sides keep the stuffing in. And then for the rest of it, you just sort of put on the top, finish off the salt, use the marinade, get that on there like this, see? All over. Isn't that wonderful looking? Don't waste your onions. That's a metaphor for something else, isn't it? Okay, so we're basically ready to go into the oven at 190 degrees, 200 degrees for 40 minutes. Now it's time to make our sweet and sour sauce for our sweet and sour fish. Remember, we put those in the oven, and now we're going to make the sauce. Our sauce is going to comprise one roughly chopped onion. We've got some salt, about a tablespoon, tomato paste, black pepper, tomato ketchup, sugar, wiri pepper, lemon juice, honey, and this is a cup of finely chopped pineapple. And we're going to add, the water is going to bring the sauce up and take it down. We start with our oil. All right, put it onto our pan like this. Then our onions. Basically, we just throw it all in there. Okay. We just stir this around, make sure it's in the oil, and it basically we're softening up now, right? We're softening up, particularly the onions and the pineapple. That's time for you to add your paste, because it's better if you add it to more of an oily mixture than a watery mixture. It saves less bitterness. Right. So let's put the wee pepper in there. God, this is fun. It's so easy. Your sugar, which will melt. There you go. And it's getting a really nice color now. Some tomato ketchup. That's probably my favorite ingredient. One of mine. And my kids. Right. Some black pepper. That's about 2 big pinches. Salt. The salt helps to bring out the sweet when you add like a little bit. If you add a lot of salt, it just tastes salty. If you add just a little bit of salt, it tastes sweet, right? And now we can add our water and our lemon juice, right? And basically, we just have to let that cook down for about 25 minutes. And it'll cook down, and it will condense, and it'll be nice and thick. And that will be ready for our fish that we're going to take out to the oven about 10 minutes later. Now it is time to take out our sweet and sour fish. There, isn't that thing a beauty? Right, so what we're going to do now that we got the fish and it's all ready, we're just going to separate out. You hear that crackling? That is the fish skin. So you get a really crispy fish skin. Take a piece out. We do this. Just turn a little bit like this. Nice. Now I'm going to take this. Take a little bit of that sauce. You don't need much, it's very strong. And this basically is a sweet and sour trout with sweet and sour sauce. Fantastic. Please make this at home.